Please welcome to my video. Today I will only use trust proofs to get $1 trillion. I am Tekal sir. So let's start off here. Let's start off with Potaro. OMG gold, OMG gold. Anak, yan, laki bro. Kami screen slicer bro. Screen slicer. Now this comes new part. I will only use common seeds. I don't know. We'll talk about I mean common. I mean common, not uncommon. Okay, posting tomorrow. Bye guys.